In this video, I'm going to show you how to use task templates in Asana. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Asana account and being able to access the homepage, you want to go to the specific project in which you want to add a task template to. I want to go to the left-hand side, and under project section, you just want to select the project that you have. Now, make sure that on your list, you actually have a task, just something like that. But if you have a task template, what you could actually do is on this bar in here, and if you see the drop down for more actions, you will see the task templates that you have. If you haven't created one, just want to go to the top on the right hand side on customize, and you would either go to your task templates or just click on the add and the drop down to task template. Now, let's say I want to use a specific task template, let's say for calendar checking. Now it is being created and it will automatically be put in here. And that's about it. That's how to use task templates in Asana. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.